The same Tamil Nadu state, Government of India is giving financial allocation to PM Poshan. They are dishonest, my dear friends, they are dishonest. They are not committed to Tamil Nadu students. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. Their only job is to raise language passion. They are doing politics. They are doing mischief. This is unfortunate in the federal state. They can't put allegation against Government of India. They are misleading nation. They are doing injustice. They are doing injustice to students of Tamil Nadu. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. They are not doing justice. They are undemocratic, uncivilized. They are undemocratic, uncivilized. They are devouring the right of Tamil Nadu students to have a pan-Indian education model. Government of India is ready and open. Let them come back. What they have promised. I can quote the date. On 15th March. 15th March, they have sent a MOU. Why they back out? Let the tell. Why they back out? My information, their chief minister was ready to accept that. Some super chief minister, some new person came up. My dear sister Kani Modi is here. Let's be honest to the people of Tamil Nadu. Let's be honest to the people of Tamil Nadu. She only came to me with few friends. He's education minister, their education minister came to us. They are dishonest. This is unfortunate. It's unfortunate in democracy. They are trying to cover up their failure. They are trying to do politics. This is unfortunate, sir.
Honorable member, please.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, माननीय सदस्य ने मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने देश के ऐतिहासिक महत्व की धरोहरों के संरक्षण को लेकर के ये महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न
आप सुनिए,
सदन के पटल पर देश के संज्ञान में लाने के लिए रखा है।
आपके माननीय सदस्यों को मैं प्रश्न बोलने का मौका दिया, आप मंत्री जी का जवाब सुनो, लेकिन ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है आपका कि आप पीठ इच्छी करके मंत्री जी से नीचे सदन वहां पे जवाब तलब करो। ऐसा नहीं कर सकते आप। ये गलत परंपरा है, ये गलत संसद की मर्यादाओं को उल्लंघन मत कीजिए। आप इस तरीके का ये आपका तरीका रवैया उचित नहीं है। प्लीज जाइए अपनी अपनी सीट पर, प्रश्नकाल सुनिए तो जाइए अपनी सीट पर। नो, चलिए
माननीय सभापति महोदय।
Speaker sir, around 2,000 crores originally meant for Tamil Nadu for PM Shri have been diverted to other states due to the state's opposition to MEP 2020. Sir, through you, I would like to raise concern which has been expressed by our Chief Minister through M.K. Stalin that this is a death knell on cooperative federalism. And sir, through you, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister also that is it right to use the financial allocation which is meant for actually spending the education, the school education children, is it right to use it as a revengeful tool against the state government, which is actually affecting the education of the school children? Sir,
what is your question, honourable member?
I would like to ask the union government through you, sir, that will it assure the parliament that no state will face fund cuts for rejecting a policy not mandated by law? Thank you, sir.
Honourable Minister.
Speaker sir, today is 10th March. 20 more days are within March. The last date of the financial year of 2025 is up to 31st March. Government of India is open and ready. The kind of discussion we had with Tamil Nadu government in previous months, if they will, it's not that they are now, they have changed their stand. At one point of time, Tamil Nadu government has ready to sign an MOU with Government of India for accepting PMCD. Few of my members, few of my MP colleagues came to see me. They came to the honourable member who raised the question. She also came to see me with Honourable Education Minister of Tamil Nadu. They agreed. They went back. They have a U-turn. It is their problem. Let them come. And Government of India is open on this issue. Many more, Speaker sir, many more non-BJP states, especially Congress, Karnataka. Let me give the example. Karnataka is accepting the NEP and they have some reservation verbally on NEP, but they are implementing PM3. In Himachal, they are implementing PM3. Right now, my friend, Congress friend from Amritsar raised a question. It's a non-BJP rule state.